With over 2 billion monthly users, WhatsApp remains the world's most popular messaging app. But here's the thing, most people are not tapping into the full potential of this app. Beyond the basics of chatting and sharing files, WhatsApp is actually packed with hidden features and powerful tools that can transform how you use the app. In this video, you're about to find out how to level up your WhatsApp media interactions with 5 must-know features. Hey guys, my name is Tolu and I'm your neighborhood Texas. So buckle up and let's jump right in. By default, WhatsApp compresses images to reduce their size when you send them, and this results in lower quality photos and videos that look blurry and not very flattering. Users have been complaining about this for years, and in the meantime, they worked around it by sending pictures as documents, but that wasn't very straightforward. Finally, WhatsApp introduced the HD Photos feature that allows you to send pictures and videos in higher resolution, but I'm sure we can all agree that it's a big hassle to tap the HD icon on every single picture you want to send. Instead, you can automate it by heading to your WhatsApp settings, then storage and data. Tap on media upload quality and select HD quality as your default. Now, any photos and videos you send will automatically be in higher quality, so you can share your favorite moments without worrying about losing detail. Just note that sending HD images might use more data, so be mindful of that if you're on a limited data plan. Did you know that you can create PDFs directly within WhatsApp? Previously, if you needed to share documents like handwritten notes or invoices or signed forms on WhatsApp, you would usually just take a picture of it and send. And if you wanted it in PDF, you would need to use a separate app or tool to create it. But now, WhatsApp lets you create PDFs directly within the app, saving you time and simplifying the process for you. All you need to do is tap the plus icon in the chat box, click Documents and select Scan Document. Now lay out your document and take a clear scan of it, making sure that it fits within the frame of the screen. After the document is scanned, you have a number of editing options. You can crop it and reposition the edges to your liking. You can also filter the document. For example, if it's colored and you're aiming for a grayscale look or a black and white look, you can apply the corresponding filter. You can also rotate it if you want, or delete it completely and retake the scan. You can scan as many pages as you like, as long as they amount to less than 2 GB. And after you're done, they will all be saved into one nicely packed PDF and sent into the chat. How cool is that? WhatsApp has made watching videos way more convenient with some awesome features. First, you can now double tap on a video to skip ahead by 10 seconds. Super handy when you want to skip past something or get to the good part fast. You can also change the playback speed. So if you're in a hurry, you can speed things up and get through videos faster. And here's the coolest one. You can now watch videos in picture-in-picture mode by tapping this icon here. This way, you can keep the video playing while you scroll through your chats or do something else on your phone. These features make video watching on WhatsApp smoother and more flexible than ever. Creating stickers for WhatsApp used to be a hassle. You had to rely on third-party apps to design and import stickers before you could use them on WhatsApp. But not anymore, because WhatsApp now lets you create stickers right within the app. To make a sticker, tap the sticker icon in your chat box and select Create. Pick a photo from your gallery and WhatsApp will automatically remove the background of the image and add a sleek white outline to it. If you prefer the original look, you can easily just revert to it. Here, you can unleash your creativity by adding emojis or text or even doodles to make your sticker more interesting. When you're done, hit send and the sticker will instantly appear in the chat. Now save your new sticker to your favorites to use again in the future. Alright, if you've ever gotten a voice note on WhatsApp and thought, I really don't have time to listen to this right now, well, you're in luck, because WhatsApp now has a super handy feature that automatically transcribes voice messages into text. This means instead of listening to a voice note, you can just read it. It's so handy for when you're in a noisy environment or if you just prefer reading over listening. To activate it, go into your WhatsApp settings, tap chats, then enable voice message transcripts because it's disabled by default. Then choose your preferred language and don't worry, you can always change it later. So whenever you want to transcribe a voice message, just tap and hold on it, then hit transcribe and the text version of the note will be generated. It might take a while depending on the length of the message, but once it's ready, the transcription will appear right below the voice message and you can quickly read what was said in it. And that's how you take your WhatsApp media game to the next level. If you loved these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content, and share it with your friends because everyone deserves to be a WhatsApp pro. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tech savvy.